Mr. Mojo here, and we're going to go through how to do a control test on your meter. Why do we use a control? Well, a control has a known quantity of either glucose or ketones in them, and so by using a control you can see to make sure that your meter is accurate. So we're going to take off the top, place that on the table like that, and then we're going to just put a little bead here on the top like you would see. Perfect. Put that to the side, and then what we're going to do is we're going to get our strip, place it in the meter. It's going to go CH for checking. It's going to check the meter, check the strip. Great. And then we just sip it off the top like we do with a normal test. It will count down. The meter has the ability to recognize that it's a control solution, and this is showing at 2.7. We will look on the vial and we will see the range that it needs to fit. This is the FDA standard for our control, and this is 2.7, and it's right in the middle of the range, and that's really good. So you know your meter is accurate.